Let me show you a simple trick that can save you time every single day. So whether you like a clean home screen with just your favorite apps, or you want to access everything in one swipe, you can choose what works best for you. And even if you don't use a Samsung phone, don't scroll away. I'll show you how to do it on Tecno, on Infinix, OnePlus, and more. So stick around, you will thank yourself. So first you go to your phone settings, and you scroll down and you see home screen. You tap it, you will see two options. Okay, so now you go to home screen layout, right? And you have these two options, home and app screen, or home screen only. So home screen only, home and app screen gives you the traditional Android experience, home page, and then the app drawer. So if I do this and I say apply, so when I go to my home screen, I have my favorite app here, just few apps, and then I have this app drawer here. This, if I touch top this, I have all the rest of the apps here. Okay, but if I choose the other option, home screen, if I choose this option, home screen layout, if I choose home screen only, it puts all your apps directly on the home screen like an iPhone. So if I do apply, see, all I don't have the app drawer anymore, so all the apps are right here on the home screen. So now you choose your preferred layout and you tap apply. Okay, so that's it. You've customized your home screen to match your preference. So now for on Tecno, Infinix, and some Xiaomi phones, the steps are quite similar, just with slight name changes. Here is how. Tap and hold on empty area of your home screen. Tap desktop settings or home settings. Look for layouts or launcher settings. Choose either drawer mode. This is for apps in drawer, like like I showed you, or standard mode. So standard mode will have all apps on home screen. So on some phones it's called display layout or just home style. So either way, you're looking for the option to switch between apps drawer or no drawer. So see, I personally switch to home screen only when I want quick access to everything, but I go back to app drawer mode to keep my home clean. To keep the home screen clean. You can change this anytime depending on how organized you want it to be. So if this helped you, be sure to like, share with someone who always complains their phone is messy, and subscribe or follow Tech with Onyi. More Android tips are on the way. See you in the next one.